guys, so today I am coming at you with a new video, and it's kind of like a new thing. I don't think I've ever done this before on my channel, but today we're going to be comparing these two beauty blenders. So I bought this a couple days ago. This is the new limited edition beauty blender Sapphire, or like the blue color, and this is the original beauty blender. Now this one I've actually used for a little while, and this one's completely new. So there are some like factors that may vary into this that make these two differently, but if you guys can kind of tell already, I feel like this one's so much skinnier and this one's so much fatter. I don't really know if the beauty blender starts to slowly like lose its shape after you've used it for a while, but I don't know. Tell me that you see somewhat of a difference. Yes, the blue one is obviously a lot bigger, and when they were in their like non-wet stages, I feel like the blue one was a slightly bigger thing as well. They don't feel all that different. I know that the black one I've heard is more dense than the original, but these don't feel that different. The blue one does seem a little airier and a little lighter. That again may be because it is a new one. I don't know. But we're gonna test it. I'm sure it'll work the same, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'm gonna put just a little bit of this all around my T-zone and evenly distribute it on areas. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna use the pink beauty blender on the left side and the blue beauty blender on the right side, and see if there's really a difference. I mean, they are both sponges, but like I said, this does feel a little lighter and a little less dense than the pinker one, and than the pink one. So I don't know, this might be a stupid video, but who cares? Okay, so now that I look very, very colorful, we're gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. As you guys know, this is a very, very loved foundation all throughout YouTube, all throughout life, and everywhere. So I'm just gonna dot it here and there, hopefully with enough to cover this colorful, crazy mess. And half of my face. Alright, so I'm going with the blue beauty blender. This is my first time trying it. Oh, it kind of feels different on the face, I feel like. If you guys didn't know, Beauty Blender markets all of their beauty blenders to be exactly the same, just different in color. But I feel like there is a difference. That blended out really, really fast. I can still see a little bit of green on my cheeks and a little bit of purple down here. So I think I'm gonna go in just a little bit closer to that area. Do I look like half a different person? I feel like half a different person. I'm gonna go in with the pink one now. But I do have to say that the pink one actually kept its like coolingness a little more, I feel like. Even as I'm using it as like a second to the blue, it feels a lot cooler. That is it. I mean, overall it does look pretty much the same. As far as it like going on the face, I do feel like this one is a little airier and a little lighter. The sponge itself is just a little less dense feeling, and it like dabs on the face a little lighter. It's almost as if it's lighter in weight, but as you guys saw, it's a little fatter, you know? So like, I don't really know what's going on. I just wanted to show you guys and just kind of compare how like the new one would work, and I just wanted to give like my first impressions kind of a thing. So I put on the rest of my face. I've got some bronzer, blush, highlight, and everything. Honestly, it looks the same, but I hope you guys thought that this was somewhat of like a fun or different idea. I don't know, I feel like I've seen someone do this before. I'm not sure, but yeah. So that is the end of this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below any videos that you guys want me to do, whether that be like college videos or like high school advice or just like talking videos in general, makeup, fashion. I haven't done a fashion video in so long, but anything like that. So make sure to stick around for more, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.